Arweave has been having some fantastic luck since it initially became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humanity for all time, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up additionally affected many individuals overall in its aspirations. The weighty collection of Arweave tokens this year likewise recommends that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is additionally underscored on the grounds that it right now holds the position of number 80 in the top digital currencies on the planet. However, is the tremendous unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months a magnificent opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out Arweave cost forecast and get more familiar with the organization. The individuals who win wars can modify history. Not so with Arweave convention. This new innovation intends to give super durable stockpiling answers for its clients while utilizing the decentralized design to dispense with the gamble of erasure. By coordinating individuals who need to store information with the people who have extra room, it makes a feasible organization for data conservation. This data will use blockchain innovation and use permob at the center of its design. Current market status of Arweave. The digital money market is very hopeful about the fate of Arweave coin. It offers an altogether new information stockpiling system for clients like activists and writers. The capacity is reasonable, and the straightforward financial aspects permits clients to sustain the replication of data for eternity. To figure out the financial matters of Arweave, expect that when a few information is added to its organization, the client pays a chief sum in R, on which premium as stockpiling buying power is gathered. Over the long run, the interest on this one-time installment is given to those clients who altogether possessed hard drive for putting away that information and consequently create a few gains by adding to the organization. It additionally includes content balance since the possible maltreatment of the permob will, no doubt, make the framework fizzle at the point when the client presents an exchange to its organization. The Arweave information storers decide to duplicate the related information. In the event that the storers accept that the substance shouldn't have been copied on the grounds that it very well may be unseemly, they can deny the solicitation. Clients can likewise present a solicitation on their site on the off chance that they find any improper substance found on the permob. Arweave specialized investigation. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of Arweave denoted a critical bull run. In any case, these cost levels were not supported throughout the following couple of months as the R cost progressively declined in a descending pattern. This progressive downfall took the ongoing cost of Arweave cryptographic money underneath its 50 days moving normal today. The cost of Arweave began a bull pursue weighty crypto market support in August 2021, sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the unpredictability, and the Arweave R cost remained exceptionally unstable till the finish of the last year. The amassing circulation marker shows no huge gathering at this point, yet it ought to be noticed that the vast majority of the development occurred in the primary quarter of the last year. Thus, contrasted with the overall value development of the last year, the ongoing collection isn't simply enormous. Specialists help in taking the right choice for putting and exchanging explicit computerized coins. Today, there are numerous specialists and lovers who are keen on the Arweave project. Thus, here there are referenced a couple of those specialists' R projections by concentrating on the past costs of it. As per our cost visualization, it is anticipated that the Arweave cost will reach $94.59 in the following year. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 speculation might depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of Wallet Financial Backer Specialists. In view of Arweave cost forecasts, the Arweave cost will cross the degree of $53.48 continuously 2026. On the off chance that this cost is accomplished, according to the financial backers, one can add Arweave in their speculation portfolio as well. In light of the R value expectation and figure framework, the cost rise anticipated for Arweave will reach $252.95 toward the finish of 2026. In light of the Arweave estimate and cost visualization, the cost can go as high as $68.81 in 1 year. Arweave value forecasts 2022 to 2026. We have utilized specialized investigation and prescient information displaying calculations to track down additional insights regarding the fate of digital forms of money. We have involved a similar technique for the R cost expectations for the R token over the time of the following 5 years. The R projections depend on basic investigation and investigations of the Arweave coin image R's presentation till now. In spite of the fact that utilizing verifiable qualities to foresee the future cost isn't a legitimate sign of the value, it ought to be noticed that this isn't a horoscope. Financial backers should comprehend their gamble resistance and need to enter the monetary business sectors, as cryptographic forms of money are profoundly unpredictable and likely to gambles. there generally lies a likelihood that the situation could come disintegrating down. So we are giving the best expectations that we have as of now thought of. The information expectations models and cost figures in light of the verifiable information showed that the cost of Arweave arrived at a typical cost of $59.77 during the last year. The most extreme cost and least Arweave cost levels were $86.20 and $52.58. Separately, somewhat recently, from the outset of this current year, the cost of our coin confronted a significant fall and tried its past help level of $27 somewhat recently. Notwithstanding, it recaptured its force back reasonably, and as of now, it's exchanging above $30. The Arweave cost today is around $33 alongside a market cap of $1,106,452,925 and an exchanging volume of $32,820,891. The typical worth anticipated for the year 2022 is $44. The ongoing all-time high is $90.94. The ongoing all-out supply is 63,190,435 R, and the most extreme stock is 66 million R. Arweave Value Expectation 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost gauge, the Arweave digital currency is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $42. In view of the cost forecasts, the Arweave cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $45. The cost expectation 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. Presently, the help level is around $31. Assuming the development keeps on being something very similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. Arweave Value Expectation 2023. In light of our cost expectation and our own exploration, the cost of Arweave is determined to arrive at least value worth of $48 with a most extreme cost of $57 in the year 2023. The Arweave conjecture predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and Arweave R cost expectation, the base value level of Arweave will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68 with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. Arweave Value Expectation 2025. As per the specialized examination and our cost expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of Arweave will be $65 and the most extreme value level will be $80. According to the Arweave gauge, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be valuable for the financial backers in the year 2025. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. The drawn-out cost forecast model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The most extreme cost of R will be $89 while keeping up with the typical cost of $83 exchanging the year 2026, which will be exceptionally high from the ongoing cost. With this most exorbitant cost, there is generally an opportunity